Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can do the spider filter trend on TikTok, Instagram and Snapchat. So all three platforms have their own spider filters. So like this is in TikTok. To get this filter on the TikTok, what you have to do, just go to your For You page and search for spider filter. Okay, you will see many videos with this effect. Just tap on any video you want.
Mom!
Okay, on the bottom left corner of the screen you will see the effect name. It's in yellow. Tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So this is in TikTok. For Instagram, let's go to Instagram. Okay, for Instagram, this is the filter. Hungry spider. Just open your mouth for the effect. Okay, I have a cockroach also in this effect. Okay, to get this effect on Instagram, visit the creator profile. Kim is the creator of this effect. Check in his effect gallery. He is having some awesome filter. You can follow him to unlock all this filter to your Instagram camera tray. Okay, so this is the effect, Hungry Spider. Just open it and tap on try it. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, for Snapchat, let's go to Snapchat. Okay, this is the filter on Snapchat. Okay, have different color also, but you have to unlock them. Okay, to get this one, what you have to do, just tap on this search button and search for spider on face. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, and this is the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this spider crawling on face filter on Instagram, TikTok and Snapchat. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.